Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. It's another fabulous day here with the Crave Cook because we will be making cilantro lime rice. Guys, this is super healthy, delicious, and the craziest part, it is ridiculously easy. Alright, if you guys are new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell so you'll not miss any of my amazing recipes. If you also find this video interesting and you make this recipe, please like, share, and comment. So without further ado, let's jump right into this amazing video. Alright, so these are the list of our ingredients and they will be listed in the description box along with the measurements. I have some rice, cilantro, lime, oil, some habanero, that's optional, some lime juice. I have some finely diced onion, I have garlic, I also have some butter, chicken bouillon, black pepper, and some parsley. So our next step, we will put our pan over, heat our pan over medium-high heat. We'll also go ahead and add about 2 tablespoons of oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, allow that to melt. Then we will add our onion. Allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. Then we'll add our garlic. Mix everything in well. After about 30 seconds, we'll go in with our washed rice, and I'm using basmati long grain rice. Then I'll go in with my chicken bouillon, black pepper, and some parsley. Some habanero, as I mentioned, that is optional. So we will toast this low and slow for about 10 to 12 minutes. There I go in with half a cup of my cilantro. Because again, we're making cilantro and lime rice. Mixed everything in really well. You can smell the fragrance of everything really nice and toasted. Then we'll go in with 2 cups of warm water. Give that a good stir. Here you taste to make sure your seasoning is just right for you, okay? Now I'm going in with my lime juice. Give that a good mix. Make sure it is well incorporated within the rice, and we will cover. We will check after about 7 minutes. Our rice looks really loose, really fluffy. Now, if you need a little bit of water, just add like 1 tablespoon at a time. Cover and steam. Alright? This is the way I like my cilantro and lime rice. Now I'm adding some fresh cilantro. Give that a good stir. Guys, this is super delicious. Look at that. Amazing. Please guys, please make this recipe, okay? And then I'll plate, and I have mine with some avocados and some fresh cherry tomatoes. Absolutely amazing. I did make also my salmon that I also had this rice with. The link will also be in the description box. Thank you guys again. Please do not forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.